Hello everyone. So it's been a while since I've done some pressure washing and put up a vlog, but here I am, the day after Christmas, and I will be getting this whole entire house cleaned and the entire driveway, and she's got a section in the back, a small patio, which I will be also cleaning. But I'd like to talk to you about thanking your customer. This client right here has been a customer of mine for the past 3 years. She has me clean her home, her office. Very good client of mine. So this past year what I did is I bought her and her husband a couple wine bottles and then made a little thank you video and sent it to them. She sent me a message thanking me in a voicemail. I'll play that audio for you. It was quite awesome getting that voicemail. She was thanking me for the present, and she said, by the way, I got some more work for you. She's like, I got a New Year's Eve party and I need it done before then, can you do it? And I said, absolutely. So here I am gonna get this house all cleaned up for her.
Hi Richard, just wanted to call and thank you so very much for the kind YouTube message and the bottles of wine, of course. It's very, very thoughtful. And I also wanted to see if we might have time next week to come pressure wash our driveway, sidewalk, house, and back patio. We are having a party on the 31st, and it's pretty bad. So if you could, give me a call back. Thank you so much.
Here's the driveway. Quite moldy, especially in shaded area spots, especially here, the front side of her concrete. I will do a pre-treatment on this concrete to help kill off the mold and mildew initially. But probably in these areas right here and over here, it's going to require post-treatment. Rest of the driveway. Ricky, wave to the camera, my man.
What's up, buddy?
It's your initial vlog.
Log on.
I got your permission to be on the vlog?
Yep.
Cool stuff, man. Appreciate you helping me out today.
Not a problem.
Cool.
Gotta have something to do.
That's right, man. Play with water.
Yep.
It's fun. Alright, so here's the back side of the house. Here's a patio that I'll be getting clean. And a couple possible southeast extras that I see that I can do for my customer. It'll be either blowing off this pine straw off the top of a roof, cleaning up this fire pit right there. That'll probably be at least minimum. But I would like to try and get those leaves or that pine straw blown off the top of the roof for her. But here's the house I'll be cleaning. There is the other side of the house. Predicting about 2.5 hours on this job. So, all done with this job. Here's the concrete. Nice and clean. This area did take some post-treatment of a 50-50 solution of sodium hypochlorite and water. A lot of acorns from this tree right here. So it had quite a bit of smashed acorns in this area, which required post-treating it after cleaning. So here's the back. As you see, I was able to blow off the pine straw for her. Also took care of cleaning up this fire pit for her. She was very happy. She was real happy about this Lee's pine straw being off her roof. She says, "Boy, you always go above and beyond." And that right there is what I strive for. Strive to go above and beyond. So this house took about 2.5 hours. I think that's about what I said, between 2 to 3 hours, 2.5 hours. It's nice and clean. No pine straw on the roof. But that concludes this job right here. Ricky!
What's up?
How's it feel to be pressure washing again, my man?
Good?
Good, good, good. Great job, dude. Appreciate it, my man. Greatly
Nice
appreciate.
and clean again.
Exactly. Appreciate your help.
No problem.
Now it's back to the shop.